We are covering the CLSI Standard Order of Draw, a critical topic for your phlebotomy certification exam. Understanding this concept is not just about memorization. It's about preventing critical patient errors and correctly answering the scenario-based questions the exam will throw at you. The entire reason for a specific order of draw is to prevent additive carryover. When the needle pierces a tube stopper, a tiny, invisible amount of the additive inside can cling to the needle and be transferred to the next tube. This contamination can drastically alter test results, leading to misdiagnosis. The correct CLSI order begins with blood culture bottles or sterile yellow-top tubes. These are always drawn first to maintain sterility and avoid contamination from other additives that could inhibit bacterial growth. Next is the light blue top tube, which contains sodium citrate for coagulation studies like PT and PTT. A common exam trap involves the critical 9:1 blood-to-additive ratio in this tube. Drawing it after a clot activator tube could introduce substances that ruin the coagulation test. Following the light blue top are the serum tubes, which include red, gold, or tiger top serum separator tubes, often called SSTs. These tubes contain a clot activator and are designed to produce a serum sample. Drawing them before other anticoagulant tubes prevents their clot activators from contaminating subsequent samples. After the serum tubes, we draw the green top tube, which contains heparin. Heparin acts as an anticoagulant by inhibiting thrombin. An exam question might present a scenario where a green top is drawn before a light blue top. You must recognize this would introduce heparin into the coagulation tube, falsely prolonging clotting times. Next is the lavender or purple top tube, containing the additive EDTA. EDTA works by binding calcium. This is a major exam point. If a lavender EDTA tube is drawn before a green heparin tube, the EDTA carryover can falsely decrease calcium levels and, because EDTA is often a potassium salt, can falsely elevate potassium levels in the green top sample. Finally, the gray top tube is drawn. It contains sodium fluoride, which stops glycolysis, and potassium oxalate, an anticoagulant. It's used for glucose and lactate testing. Drawing this tube out of order is a common exam trap because its potent additives can interfere with many other tests. To help you remember this on exam day, use the simple phrase, stop, light, red, green, lavender, gray. Think of it like a traffic light sequence. Stop for sterile cultures, then light blue, red, green for go, followed by lavender and gray. Stop, light, red, green, lavender, gray. The exam will test this through scenarios, asking you to translate test names like CBC or ProTime into tube colors, lavender and light blue, respectively, and then place them in the correct sequence. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.